Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a Wurlitzer High Unwind. Knowing how to do a Wurlitzer will already be really helpful. Put a link to that in the description below. If you've done any other kind of high unwind, then that's going to help, but you don't really need to know it. It's going to be very simple and easy to pick it up as long as you know a Wurlitzer already. So it looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So it starts like a standard Wurlitzer. At the point we go flat and prepare, we don't go out into the standard prepare for the return spin. We send the lady out, but then we take the right hand high, so we go over the lady for an extra rotation, and then we do the prepare to get the Wurlitzer spin and a catch. Same thing from the other side. We'll talk numbers. So we go back 1, flat 2, turn 3, prep 4, return spin 5, and catch 6. So let's try it together. Here we go. 5, 6, a Wurlitzer High Unwind. We go a back, flat, turn, prep, return spin, and catch. That's the whole thing. Do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Helps promote the channel and moves. Music recommendation on the end of something nice to practice this to. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.